I'll get the door. Hey, Lisa, come on in. Mom's in the kitchen, probably reorganizing the fridge. I can't wait to meet her. Lisa, this is my mom, Evelyn.
Nice to meet you, Miss Thompson.
Please, just call me Evelyn. Miss Thompson makes me sound like I'm about to assign some homework. I sound like a teacher. It's so nice to meet you. Lisa has told me so much about you. I hope she left out the embarrassing bits, but probably not. Now, before we get into the formalities, I want you to have one of these cookies before I start the interrogation. Oh, thank you. These smell amazing. They're my famous double chocolate. Guaranteed to make you forget your troubles or your diet. Sometimes her car keys. So Lisa, what do you do for fun? Don't say scroll through your phone. That's Sarah's hobby. I like hiking and reading. Reading, I approve of. Hiking? Only if there's a coffee shop at the end. See, Mom's allergic to anything that doesn't involve caffeine. Well, any friend of Sarah's is welcome here anytime. Oh, excuse me. Especially if you bring gossip and dessert. I think I can handle that. Great. Just don't let her talk you into a book club, because you'll actually have to finish the whole book. You want some more cookies?